Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my newest Variety Fun box to share with you. Now I am a Variety Fun partner, so they do send this box to me for review. Now I really enjoy this box, but I have to say that this is probably the perfect time to have this box. And if you haven't had this box or tried this box, it's a great time to try it, right? We're all being told to limit the amount of times we go outside and go places. A lot of places are shut down around here. You know, the only things that are really open are the grocery stores and the banks and the gas stations and things like that. I'm still going to work, but you know, I'm gonna bring this to work because the people that come into work, we're kind of like on a rotation where one supervisor and then a staff is there every day. So this will be good for the staff that have to come into work on their rotation. So I'm excited to bring this. It'll be a nice surprise. And think about all the kids that are home right now from school, right? How fun would it be for them to get a snack box in the mail? Yeah, and good for you parents too, right? So kind of give them a little bit something to open and some excitement. Just wipe the box with a Clorox wipe. I've been saying this in my videos, like whenever I get a box in the mail, I just kind of wipe the outside with a Clorox wipe just to be safe, right? So anyway, so I am excited to share this with you. Actually, Variety Fun. So they ship this inside of a bigger box. So it came in a bigger cardboard box and then this was inside. So I said wipe down both. But anyway, so they have two different versions. They have a fun box, which is like your classic snacks, and they have a fit box. So I talked about children being home from school right now for kind of like, we don't know how long, right? But think about everybody else that's home. And if you have a friend or a family member that maybe they have maybe a compromised immune system, or they can't really leave home as much, or they don't want to leave home as much, totally understandable, right? It would be so nice for them to get this box. A really good gift. They also have a one-time gift shop on their website, which I'll leave a link to their website below. But they have a one-time like gift that you could send to friends or family members. So go check out their gift shop too. I do have a discount code for you if it's your first time using Variety Fun for a subscription box. So the code is just for the subscription box. It's not for the gift shop. So Kayla's Closet 30 will get you 30% off your first box, which is pretty good, right? So the boxes start, I just want to make sure I have the right price. So they start at $24.99, but with my code, your first box is $17.50 if you get like the standard, the start box. And then obviously they go up from there, but they have tons of snacks. Now you can get them twice a month or you can get them monthly. You kind of choose the frequency that you'd prefer. And I'm telling you, I've been introduced to new snacks through this box. They send you so many yummy snacks, and it's good to share, you know, things like that. Good to have on hand. Who doesn't love to snack, right? So I kind of want to try out the fit box because I've been getting the fun box, and while it's nice to have that variety, I kind of want to try the fit one. So yeah, I think it's a great time. And what I love about Variety Fun is that they donate snacks to families in need. So I love a company that gives back. That really does mean a lot to me, and that's why I continue to receive these boxes. I love that about Variety Fun. All right, let's see. Can I show you what's inside? Look at all the yummy snacks. I'm not gonna like tell you each snack one by one, but we'll just kind of pull through. And I'm always amazed at how they get their snacks in this box, right? So we've got some of the snapped. Oh, somebody just told me about these. These are brand new, I think. The Cheez-Its, I think these, oh, I'm excited. Somebody at work told me about these. I'm gonna bring these to her because she's been wanting to try these, so. Oh, wow. Pirate's Booty. Original Cheez-Its, Pop Chips, potato chips, cookies. We'll go fast. Doritos, but it's like endless. Hot fries, cookies. Oh, my favorite peanuts. These are mine. I love them, and I got 2 of them. I'm gonna go pour a glass of wine and have some peanuts. Oreo mini can't go anywhere, right? So might as well. Chex Mix. Cookies. Oh, more of the snapped. Now the ones I got were sour cream and onion, and these are double cheese. Oh, I'm saving these for her because she was telling me about them. The chips. We've got the peanut butter crackers, Cocoa Puff bar, Goldfish. These are mine too. Oh, the rainbow. So cute. More chocolate chip cookies. More peanut butter cookies. Oh, I have 3. Oh, this is so exciting. I have 3 bags of peanuts, and they're all mine. I'm not sharing. I share everything else, but I'm not sharing those. Cookies. This is fun. Oh, Nutri-Grain bars. I like these in the morning because I'm not a big breakfast eater. I'm not a good breakfast eater. I know you should eat breakfast. I don't like breakfast foods that much. And then chocolate chip oatmeal bar. Ooh, I might try that for breakfast. Oh, I haven't had these in a long time. When I was a kid, I used to have these all the time. Fruit by the foot. How fun. Chips Ahoy. I love Twizzlers. Some Twizzlers. Some more crackers. I'm running out of room on the TV kind of big stand. Rice Krispie treats. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. See, such a variety, right? Oreos. I'm loving it. Airheads. So you get some candy too. What's this? Oh, a Cheerios. So we got some cereal bars this time. That's new. I'm putting it back in the box. Ooh, these are new too. What are these? So these are by Ecoa. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. So this one's pure coconut. What is this? Create healthy habits, not restrictions. What is it? Oh, it's a dried fruit bar. Oh, so I got a coconut one. I'm not a coconut person, but I will pass this on because I know a lot of people like coconut. We got a banana one. I may try this one. Oops, there you go. Have you guys had these before? If so, let me know. But see what I mean? Like last time, I forgot what we got that was new. But this is new this time. But I love that they have some of the tried and true as well. Like peanuts. I know it's so simple, but I love peanuts. They're like one of my favorite things to snack on. And I get them every time and I love it. I wouldn't have it any other way, but then I get some of the new stuff. So it's so much fun. All right, so that was my box. See, well, it's not empty, but I started to put things back in. So what'd you think? I thought it was a really exciting, I always love this box. And now I can bring it to work and they'll be happy. All right, so thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Please stay healthy. Please, please, please stay safe. And I will see you in my next video.